Have you ever wondered how some people make money even while they're sleeping? No employees, no office, no constant hustle. In this video, I'll show you 5 automated online business ideas that can generate income 24/7, even if you're just getting started. Make sure you watch till the end, because the last idea requires almost zero upfront investment. Welcome to the Passive Path, where we talk about building smart income streams and achieving financial freedom. Let's get started. Our first idea is print on demand. With this, you design products like t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, or phone cases. When someone places an order, your supplier prints and ships the product automatically. You never have to handle any inventory or ship anything yourself. Flash platforms like Shopify with Printful integration make this super easy. Once your store is set up, it can run almost completely on autopilot, bringing in sales while you focus on other things. Next up, idea number 2. Sell digital products. This is one of my favorites because you create something once and you can sell it forever. Think about things like ebooks, digital templates, online courses, or even Notion planners. You can sell these on marketplaces like Gumroad or Etsy. The best part: there's no shipping and no restocking. Delivery is 100% automated, so customers get their product instantly, and you get paid. Idea number 3 is faceless YouTube automation. Jet. You can start a niche YouTube channel without ever showing your face. You can use powerful AI tools for things like script writing, creating a voiceover, and even video editing. All you need to do is upload consistently and monetize your channel with ads and affiliate links. Once your videos start to rank in search, they can generate income for years to come. Net. Moving on to idea number 4, affiliate marketing. This is where you promote other people's products. When someone buys something through your unique link, you earn a commission. It's a fantastic model because you don't need to create a product. You can promote items from huge marketplaces like Amazon or find digital products on sites like Click. You can build a blog, a YouTube channel, or an Instagram page around a niche and then automate your promotions with email funnels. And finally, idea number 5, which requires very little upfront cash: dropshipping with automation tools. Similar to print on demand, you sell products without holding any inventory. When a customer orders from your online store, the supplier ships the product directly to them. With modern tools and apps, you can automate pricing, order fulfillment, and even tracking updates. A popular platform to find suppliers for this is AliExpress. Now, a quick reality check, because this is important. Automated does not mean instant money. All of these business models still need some work up front. You need to handle the initial setup, do some testing, and market your products or content. Consistency is key. But once you have the system built and running smoothly, it truly starts to work for you. If you want detailed step-by-step videos on any of these ideas, just comment below which one you're most interested in. Subscribe to The Passive Path for weekly strategies on building passive income and escaping the 9-to-5 grind. Your future self will thank you.